In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted Google Slides. If you've accidentally removed content from a presentation or need to get back to an earlier draft, Google Slides keeps a detailed version history that makes recovery quick and reliable. Start by opening your presentation in Google Slides. Once it's open, look toward the top of the screen for the small clock icon with a counterclockwise arrow. That's the version history shortcut. Clicking it opens a timeline of saved versions so you can browse previous states of your file. If you don't see the icon or prefer menus, you can also go to the File menu, choose Version History, and then select See Version History. Both paths take you to the same place. When the Version History panel opens, you'll see a list of timestamps on the right side. Selecting any entry shows you what the presentation looked like at that time, often with color highlights that indicate who changed what. Take a moment to click through the versions and find the one that contains the slides or content you want back. Think of this as a time machine for your deck. Next, move your cursor to the version you want and click the three dots next to it. This opens a small menu with three useful options: restore this version, name this version, and make a copy. Naming a version is handy for labeling milestones like before client review or final images added, which makes future recovery much easier. Make a copy creates a separate file based on that version, perfect if you want to compare or pull specific slides without changing the current deck. When you're confident you've found the right point in time, click Restore this version. You'll be asked to confirm. After restoring, your presentation returns to that saved state, bringing back slides and content that were removed since then. Don't worry, restoring doesn't delete your history. You can still go back into version history later and switch to a different state if needed. A quick tip as you work: if you only need a single deleted slide, consider using Make a Copy on the older version, then copy and paste the slide you need into your current presentation. It's a safe way to recover specific content while keeping your latest changes intact. That's it. By opening version history, reviewing past versions, and restoring the one you need, you can recover deleted slides confidently and without stress. Save yourself time by naming important versions as you go, and you'll always have a clear path back.